Now I request Adanya Sambharia ji to kindly come up for his address to this gathering.
Madam Mrs. Srivastava, Vasudeva, all the directors, all distinguished guests on the dais, and sitting in front in the hall. In fact, I came here yesterday, and from yesterday I have been observing the kind of effort, the kind of keenness to details, and the hard work the people are making to make this conference a success. I attended the first conference also in Mumbai. That was the beginning, and these type of big functions can't be successful without the support of the management. Today's conference, I must congratulate the organizers, the SC Association, the workers who have taken part, all the zonal presidents and their office bearers who have taken part in the morning presentations. There was a lot of thought given in the morning presentations by the people. Certain guidelines were given according to which they have prepared their presentations, and each one was trying to surpass the other. It was difficult to find who is the winner. I hope all the people must have given them marks, and on the basis of that, the winners will be chosen. I must congratulate today's winners of the prize at the hands of the chairperson, Madam Mrs. Vasudeva. I hope more and more people will get these awards in due course of time. But I want to make 2 points to the management. I have attended 2 years DPCs, and my observation that we have very high percentage of SC, ST, OBC at certain level, say up to the DGM. But as we go up, we find that the representation of not only these categories, but also the ladies is dwindling. Exception being Madam. Well, my request is that we should find out whether there is something missing in the appraisals, or something can be done to upgrade the skills or guide these categories to go up. My second point is that when we are considering these positions, when in the moderation, we can make sure that these categories also get sufficient representation so that they have higher chances of going up. Because at certain level you get promoted without being excellent. But as you go up, only the accelerators of excellence will get promoted. Whether something can be done about this so that these people can get sufficient representation at higher level also. My request to the audience in front is that we owe a lot to the society from where we come from. Well, the management is there to help you through CSR activities, to a lot of work in your areas or your community, for the other members of the community, especially for the children who are not getting sufficient education. Their health is not good, particularly in the Adivasi areas where medical help is not there, education is not there. Whether we can take little more interest. I don't say that you are not taking interest, but the need of the hour is to do little more, because we know the difficulties we have faced. I must congratulate and thank the organizers, the officers and bearers of the association and the management for giving me a chance to be here this evening. Thank you very much.